She's got flour on her apron and a twinkle in her eye, mixing magic in a bowl. Oh, she's reaching for the sky. Every pinch of spice feels like a little bit of love. In the kitchen light she shines, she fits just like a glove. Rolling dough and kneading dreams, Diana's in her zone, spinning tales of sugar sweet, she's never all alone. Steam is rising, whispers swirl, she's got that secret touch. From her family recipe, she hands us all so much. In the kitchen, Diana's cooking up a storm. In the kitchen, no dish she can't transform. With a dash of laughter and a sprinkle of delight. In the kitchen, she's our star tonight. Slice and dice and rhythm flows like music to our ears. Every stir and sizzle knows she's conquering her fears. Golden crust and bubbling pots, her symphony in play. Her heart's in every bite she serves in the most delicious